This is my wallet. This has debit card, credit cards and some money. Oh, it doesn't have money. It will be there once you subscribe my channel and YouTube paid me some money. So please subscribe. But why do I have a wallet? To safeguard my liquid assets or the cash in one place. And then all I have to take care is my wallet. But in case of crypto, everything is virtual. Then how do I store that value? In bank account? Crypto's main intention is not to have bank account. Everything is decentralized. So what do you have for it? You have crypto wallets. What are crypto wallets? That's what this video is all about. What is crypto wallet? When you have cryptocurrency, you need a medium which tells the total amount of value you have for the currency. It is similar to what you have in your physical wallet. This crypto wallet can store all the currency value, which you can then use it for trading or integrate with any decentralized application. But you should know few important things about crypto wallet to be safe and secure. Every wallet gives you these three things. Wallet address. This is an address which you will give to someone when you want to receive funds, or someone will give it to you to receive funds from you. You can imagine this address similar to PayPal or Paytm wallet's phone number on which you transfer or receive funds from bank account. Public key. This is nothing but a very long string used by your wallet internally to create wallet address. So basically your wallet address is short version of your public key. So don't worry about it. Private key. Most important thing. This is what you will need to access your wallet. You can think it like a password for your PayPal or Paytm wallet. You can never access your funds if you lose this. But there is also a fourth thing which I feel you should know about. Seed phrase. Many wallets provide option for seed phrase. Seed phrase is a combination of words. These are converted by your wallet to verify private key. It is convenient way as it is easy to read. You can note it down on paper, but you must keep this paper secure. And now, depending upon this security, you have different types of wallet. What are they? Let's see in next section. Types of wallets. First one is hot wallet. This is most convenient form of wallet and is in form of software. For example, Binance wallet or WazirX wallet, where cryptocurrency is stored when you buy it for Nest. These are online and you don't get your private key, which means all the responsibility is of wallet provider. They keep it safe, but they can be hacked too. Or there can be a chance if you buy from a new exchange and later it shuts down and you lose your currency. So let's quickly see its pros and cons. Pros. You can easily buy or sell cryptocurrencies, as in many cases wallet is given by exchange itself. Easy exchange or swap of currency. These are free to use. Con. You don't get private keys, hence you don't have much control. Not very secure, as whole exchange can be hacked and you can lose your currency. But with these hot wallets, you also get little more secure type of software wallets. They can provide you more control. These software wallets are in form of desktop or mobile application, which you can install in your computer or as an app on your phone. Example of this is Trust Wallet. These software wallets store your private key on your computer or phone, giving you control to safeguard them. Software wallets like MetaMask can be installed as an extension to your browser and provide you seed phrase. This seed phrase is then required to do transactions. Second is cold wallet. This is a hardware device which looks like a pen drive. This is disconnected from internet and only makes connection when you connect it with your computer to transfer any currency. These wallets also support hundreds of currencies. Ledger and Trezor are example of these type of hardware or cold wallet. These devices store your private keys, hence they are always in your control. But it is your responsibility to keep these wallets secure. Let's see pros and cons. Pro. It is very secure as it is not connected to internet, hence cannot be hacked. Private keys are with you and you can store them safely as you want. Like software wallets, these can also store hundreds of currency. What are its cons? Buying and selling currency for trading requires moving funds to exchange. You can lose it if you don't take care of your device properly. Quite expensive. Ledger device can cost you from $70 to $140. I hope this information helped you to understand wallets better and you could compare pros and cons. But which wallet is good for you based on your case? I am planning to give you advice on that too. So stay tuned for my next video. And please subscribe. Maybe someday YouTube will send some money in my physical wallet too. So don't forget it. So this is Sukhneet Singh signing off. See you in next video.